Just had a knock on the door, and we've got the arrival of the old GizFab boy. Yeah, so yeah, another fucking good bit of kit from GizFab. So we're gonna lead on. This is the second video. I don't know if you got the hint in the first, but obviously the car's jacked up already, and look at them sick fucking welds, mate. Fair play to you. Yeah, so the car's jacked up. This is ready to be installed. And that's what you're going to be watching next, hopefully, if you haven't fucking turned off already. Yeah, happy days. Give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Obviously, that's going to sit on there, and that's going to sit on there. But apparently, these are a fucking cunt to get off. I don't know why, but we're going to find out. Got ourselves a breaker bar, 19mm fucking socket, and yeah, fucking let's go for it, innit? Can you lift that up? That's it. Lift it up. A bit more. Push down. Lift it up. Lift up. Push that. Off. Fucking hell, it's fucking in there tight. Up a little bit. That's it. It's starting to feel looser now.
Ish.
Fucking hell. Up a little bit, that's it. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay, you got that shit, yeah? Alright. What the fuck is that? Fucking hell. Fucking hell, that's fucking tight. Bearing in mind, I've been lubing this shit for like 2 fucking weeks. Go with that, man.
Huh?
Go with that. Is that the whole hawk coming out of it?
Pardon?
Is that the whole hawk coming out? Is that just
Looks like it, yeah.
That was fucking intense. That's in there. Ooh, shit. When you get your shit stuck.
And also, thank you to Eden for actually sending bolts for the cat as well.
Oh yeah, got the decal pipe in the end, the bolts, yeah, fucking hell. So that's the old one off. Fucking much easier than what I thought. Fuck, look at the state of that shit. Fuck, there's nothing to it really. Look at that. Jesus. Right, so there it is off. So, did we tell you? Yeah, we obviously got the fucking old one off. This is the new one going on. Fuck me, look at that for fucking judgment. Look at that. Easy as
It's almost like we pre-planned it.
Yeah, I wouldn't do anything like that, surely. Right. So, yeah. Easy as fuck. Don't know what the fuss is about.
Come on, George, taking 2 days to do this.
Fuck you now.
Took us 20 minutes. Less than that.
Angle grinder and all sorts. What's going on? Right. Fucking hell, that's easy.
So it doesn't work?
That one goes to that one. That one goes to that one. That one goes to that one.
And what's that one doing?
And we're back to where we started with one fucking facing the wrong fucking way.
That's how it is at the moment. No, it's not.
No, because it's two facing the wrong way. I don't fucking know. Fucking just gonna take it down to the country fitted and tell them to sort it out.
So if you don't know what we was just doing, the tyres are all funny.
We got two tyres facing this way.
Yeah.
And those two tyres
facing the other way. So
we need to murray them up so they're both all facing the right fucking way. I don't know what the fuck's going on. No idea.
and our way of doing it was with these.
Oh right, yeah, fucking interesting fact, yeah. These are JGWs, obviously, because they're rare as fuck on a Micra, right? They're well, they're 1 point fucking, I don't know, 100 fucking
1.6.
Yeah, so you gotta get like wobbly nuts and these fucking like Spriggett fucking rings that fit to make it fucking centralised. So if you ever buy them, they do fit. But okay, no room for a fucking foot in here. Jesus fucking Christ.
Our basic micro stance wheels that nobody likes.
I reckon they don't like.
Yeah, they're sick. They don't have good fitment. Sick fitment. But yeah, the front ones do stick out the back, but that's the whole point of getting that rod, isn't it?
I think so.
Literally.
Right. I don't know what the fuck we're doing.
Well, this is straight now.
Yeah, I think it's just.
And that one's straight.
I don't even know what the fuck we are doing.
Neither. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Get your stickers and description.
I don't know what the fuck we are doing. So. Because to me that looks pretty fucking even.
It does. Looks perfect now. Mad.
We haven't even adjusted it.
Wow.
Ah, fuck this.
Oh, real nardy box, be careful of that.
I don't know.
What you gonna do? Put it in a box?
I was gonna fucking. I just want to measure how far it fucking sticks out, but I don't know how to fucking. What's all this shit on the fucking.
That comes off easy. I don't know what it is. You can even see it on the camera, that's how you know it's bad. Look at that, not even Suzuki's welds are as good as Eden's.
No. Three. Mate, how the fuck do you want me to go over?
3? Can you go back over 1? See, that looks the same on both sides. Because that's really weird, because that should be exactly how it was. Or are we just like being completely like idiots and not realising something? And everyone's going to start shouting in the comments at something.
Don't do any more. Let's stay there. I think that's it.
Is it? Sick.
Devoed.
What rust? There's no rust there. It's clean.
So, that's that bit. Car. Solid. Rest of the fucking shit. And what?
Wheels.
What about?
Put them back on.
Put them back on?
Yeah.
Well, I haven't done the brakes yet.
What do you mean, brakes?
Pads.
You didn't tell me I had brakes.
Yeah, we got slave cylinders and fucking... We need them for the MOT.
Alright. So is that another video?
Yeah.
So it won't be in this video that the car's lowered. So if you want to see the car lowered, go to the next video.
It will be. We can just edit the same fucking clip of the car being lowered on every single video.
Yeah, but then people... Then what are going to people think? What are going to people... That doesn't even make
I
sense.
think we're creative.
We are creative. Artistic, autistic, artistic.
Dumb as fuck.
Nissan.
It's a Nissan. It's a Datsun. We just finished doing the install now. Got the wheels back on. Didn't want to bore you with that. Now we're just gonna lower it down and give you an idea what it all looks like once the suspension is on and the fucking Panhard. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Axle stand is on the car. Is it moving or is it coming away?
I can't see.
What was the car going to fall basically?
You want me to check if that's loose then?
No, just look like if it's coming away from the car. If it's sticking up on it.
Alright.
Well, apparently.
That's just some insane magic. So what's happened?
We just took the jack out where if it's all rigid and brought it back up and the short shocks are on, you've still got the car fucking in the air and there's no stand. That's not fucking good. We'll see what happens. This is fucking so. That car's just gonna fucking tilt.
Oh. This is gonna be fun, I think.
We just dropped the car down. Obviously we got the Panhard rod adjusted. And it just brings the wheels in line with the arches and keeps the tread under. So when you lower it, the axle pushes the wheel to one side. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Happy days, check for that. Yeah, we got a few more videos coming up shortly, so keep your eyes on it.
Sick.
Yeah.
Ready for war, Joe? How you wanna blow they spot? I know these dirty cops that'll get us in if we murder some wop. Hop in your Hummer, the Punisher's ready. Meet me and Beatles with noodles.